Question: how do you create a plan of action to achieve your goals? The answer is simple: devise a plan. A wise man once said, "A goal without a plan is just a wish." So what is a goal? A goal is simply the object of a person's ambition or effort. It is the end to which that effort is directed. Setting goals allows us to measure progress and visualize the remaining amount needed to succeed. Once you've selected your goal, you now need a plan of action which should not be complicated. Take notes and always keep it concise and detailed so that in order to achieve your goals, you only need to answer a few questions. The answers will be the basis of your plan. Why? Ask yourself, why do you want to accomplish the things you're thinking about? This helps to work out what you value and what motivates you. Why is it important? Why do you want to succeed? You need to know the deeper understanding of the reason that gives you this drive. You will need a start point and an end point. Think about your present situation. This analysis helps to set the context for starting out with your goal. Then, visualize where you want to be when you've succeeded in your goal. This is the end goal achievement. Next, you will need to know what defines your overall mission and what that success looks like. As a result, you have worked out your destination and can now visualize what and where the end point actually is. Gather all the criteria that you will need to achieve your goal. Vividly describe what success looks like. Think about any and all possible ways to your intended goal and consider the advantages and disadvantages of each option. There are different routes you can take to achieve each goal. Decide which one path is the all-around best for you. Consider any risks. Now that you're aware of all options and have selected the best route, you can start to plan how you're going to achieve it. Think about what steps you need to take and what resources might be available for each step. Don't overlook someone who may have valuable information, advice, assistance, or shared experiences. Utilize information from online testimonials, lectures, videos, articles, etc. Use your phone's calendar to alert you of appointments and also to schedule events. Prioritize them and highlight the most important next step. Each step should be easily achievable. It should be something you can do in minutes or at most a few short hours. Make sure to even schedule simple tasks such as making phone calls. You will feel this sense of accomplishment as you progress through your day, checking tasks off one after another. It is very important to give yourself time and to have patience adjusting. But soon, the practice will become so routine it will become second nature to use these techniques as an effective application for anything you wish to accomplish. So, that's it. That's an overview of the questions you need to get going on your plan. We have specifically designed and crafted a day-by-day weekly planner to assist you with all of your desired tasks and goals. Included in it is your monthly calendar, to-do activity prompts, motivational quotes, a mission statement, journal, and more. If you are ready to get started, click the link. Plan for success. Don't wait. The time is now.